Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate your BMO Harris gift card online, follow these step-by-step instructions to make it ready for purchases. Step 1. Locate the activation website address printed on the back of your BMO Harris gift card or in the accompanying documentation. Step 2. Open a web browser and visit the BMO Harris gift card activation website. Step 3. Enter your gift card number exactly as it appears on the front of your card into the required field. Step 4. Provide the security code or CVV number found on the back of the card near the signature panel. Step 5. Fill in any additional required personal information such as your full name, billing address, and contact information. Step 6. Review all the information you've entered to ensure it's accurate before proceeding. Step 7. Click the Activate or Register button to submit your gift card information for processing. Step 8. Wait for the confirmation message indicating that your BMO Harris gift card has been successfully activated and is now ready to use for purchases at participating merchants online or in stores. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.